Okay, guys. All right. So right now you probably have already watched the YouTube video that went along with our Saxon Math lesson 107. Okay, so we're going to start ahead here. Name line, draw 7 centimeter line segment. Okay, go ahead and do that there. For date line, measure this line segment using centimeters, cm. So you're familiar with that, and what I got was 10 centimeters. So hopefully you got that as well. Okay. Number one, the grade 2 children at Rideout Elementary School collected cans for recycling. During the first week, they collected 37 cans. During the second week, they collected 88 cans. And during the third week, they collected 96 cans. How many cans did they collect during the first 2 weeks? Okay, we know that cans is our labels, but the information that they want is not cans altogether, if you noticed. They want collected during the first 2 weeks. So very important. So go back into the question and see what we need. Okay, let's see. During the first week, they collected 37 cans, okay? I'm gonna underline my important pieces of information. During the second week, they collected 88 cans, okay? That was the next sentence, next part. And then during the third week, they collected 96 cans. And if you noticed, we only need the first two, so I don't need the number 96. So I'm gonna cross out third week. We're going to cross out things that do not help us, okay? Number sentence is going to be 37. We're going to use C for cans because I don't have enough space, okay? And 80 plus 88 cans equals, and I'm going to go over to the workspace. You should have done this as well, plus 88. All right, 7 plus 8 is 15. Put down the 5, carry the 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 8 is 12. 125C. Oh, I love this pen. It is making me so happy. 125 cans, okay? How, the next question asks, during which week were the most cans collected? Now I have to go back, okay? Maybe, let's see. First week was 37, second week was 88, and third week was 96, okay? So during the week with 96, oh, sorry, they want during which week, right? Oh no. Okay, hold on. Miss Bayani had the same problem last time. I keep forgetting that I can't use undo. So I'm going to use the eraser function. Okay, cool. I got the hang of it a little bit. Okay, so during which week? Okay, oops, I'm back to my pen. And it's going to be the third week. Okay, during which week? Week 3. How much money is this? We're on number 2. Write the amount 2 ways. All right, 2 lines. So based on money, you would what we learned is we're going to make sure we write the number amount underneath each of these coins. Okay. So the first one is a quarter, so 25. Here we have another quarter. Quarter dollar. If you see that, means 25 cents. 10, 5. Okay. And this one looks like a penny, or it looks like a nickel. 5, 5, and our last coin is a penny. Okay, so let's count it out. 25, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 76. Okay, so we have 76 cents. We're going to write 76 here. And the other way is with a dollar sign, 0, decimal, 76. All right. Number 3, measure the size of the rectangle in problem 2 using inches. What is the perimeter? Perimeter, remember we talked about perimeter. Perimeter is the edges, the border, okay, of the shape. So it is a rectangle, right? So we're going to measure these two, and if you notice, look, they already have the lines for you, okay? So I'm going to measure the long one, and the long one tells me that it's 6 inches. Using inches, not centimeters. Be careful. And the other side is The shorter end of it is 1. Now, you might be thinking, okay, our number sentence is going to be 6 inches plus 1 inch. Are we correct? That's only 2 sides, right? One side, 2 sides, but there's another 2 sides, right? So we're going to have to make sure we include the other 2 plus 1 inch. Now, you could have written this many ways. You could have written it 6 inches plus 6 inches plus 1 inch plus 1 inch, right? Or you could have been like, oh, guess what, Miss Bayani? I know that 6 and 6 are the same, so it's 12, and then 1 plus 1 is 2, and that's the same, so you could have done that as well, okay? 6 plus 6 is 12, right? And then plus 1 is 13, plus 1 more is 14. So the perimeter is 14 inches. Don't forget your inch symbol. All right, keep going, okay? Show 5:47 on the clock. Okay, so here we're gonna go ahead and put our short hour hand in between 5 and the 6, because it's not quite 6 yet, can't be pointing there. 47, remember from the other lesson the other day, we could have numbered our clock around to help us if you're lost, right? Or we could have just figured out, oh, the 9 is always 45, right? And 47 is pretty close to 45. So we're gonna count 45, 46, 47, and look, it's very close. I'm gonna draw my long minute hand there, okay? 5:47. Number 5, round each number to the nearest 10. 17 to the nearest 10 is 20. 55 to the nearest 10, remember it's ending in 5, so we have a special rule, we gotta go up, right? So we have to go to 60. 72 is closest to 70. All right. Find the differences. Difference is the answer for a subtraction problem, okay? So make sure you write this correctly, how it's written out here. 65 minus 28, okay? You're gonna have to borrow. You can't take 8 from 5, you don't have enough. Cross out the 5, make it a 15. Cross out the 6, make it a 5. 15 minus 8 is 7. 5 minus 2 is 3, you have 37. 82 minus 49, okay? You're gonna have to borrow again here. Can't take 9 from 2, you don't have enough. Cross out the 2, make it a 12. Cross out the 8 and make it a 7, thank you, neighbor. 12 minus 9 is 3. 7 minus 4 is 3. 83 minus 42. Okay, same process, but this time you don't have to borrow, right? You can't take 2 from 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. 8 minus 4 is 4. Now, remember, if you've already done this, which I would like you to do, I want you to try it, the A side with me, right? But then when you do your B side, you're going to do that on your own, and you're going to turn in your B side for both your facts and this math paper B side to me in your Google folder, okay? All right, thank you guys. Have fun on your math sheet. Bye.